Introducing our studio audience, including special guest Penguin.
Hello and welcome to our broadcast.
We're here to introduce a brand new and exciting product.
Yes, introducing the new human.
Yay! I can't wait to get one of my own.
Yes, let's demonstrate how to use a human.
Okay.
Introducing the brand new Chloe. She is equipped with still mode. She will sit still. You cannot move her. And then you ask her to move and she starts moving. Yeah, she can start spinning and she can start jumping around and she can do jumping jacks and then she can do a split. Introducing the brand new Austin. He is a robotic human who cannot move very fast. And then just when you think he can't move very fast, all of a sudden he starts moving very fast. And he starts moving very fast. And he starts spinning around. And he's your very own human. Not only this, but your brand new Chloe can jump through the ceiling.
I had enough. I'm not going to do this.
And she can't eat candy!
Well, thank you for watching our program.
Yes, and remember to order your very own human.
Remember, it's only 4 easy payments of $100,000.
But this is a limited time offer, so act fast.